Alright, my phone kind of blurry right now. That look a tad bit better. So, you feel me? I'm walking in nature. I've been hearing a lot of birds chirping lately. Even in the middle of the night. It's crazy. It's profound how that's even happening. I literally had my homeboy say in the back of the seat, back in the car, he was like, "Hey, is it birds chirping?" But it was like, what? It was like 2 a.m. 2 a.m. Bro. Like, why would a bird be chirping? But of course, here come me connecting the dots. I've been seeing every time I'm making choices, I hear birds chirping. If it's right choice, birds not chirping. When it's wrong choice. I don't know if a bird was just chirping right now, but I heard it chirp, then it disappeared after I said it, or maybe tripping. Yeah, it's still there actually. It's just making like little noises. But I don't know if y'all heard it on the phone, but I definitely did. But shit, I want to bring that out there because somebody else maybe start hearing chips out of nowhere. And it's like when you say something you know you should have did it for a long time, you finally commit to doing it, you hear chirps while you moving towards it. That means the universe saying, yeah, keep going, that's good. That's a sign from the universe telling you, yo, that's good. You feel me? You don't hear chirping, you hear a blank screen. Well, you hear chirping still, but you get the point. Blank screen, it means obviously bad. Yeah, you feel me? Don't, whatever you're doing, go back to the right choice or go back to yourself type shit. Come back to God, yourself. But anyway, yeah, what type of tree is it? What? I see how it's growing now. I can't like switch the camera around like it's Instagram. Kinda gotta show y'all how it all lines up. I'm doing camera angles like I'm recording something, but you feel me? I'm feeling good. I just wanted to make this video because I really feel like I should talk about that. I've seen it enough. I've been experiencing it enough. I feel like it's necessary for y'all to actually get this knowledge as well and use it for y'all better good and to use this as guidance so you don't feel so alone on the journey or feel so, what's the word? Like you didn't know what you was doing. You don't know where you was going. But now the universe is coming here to shine some light for you. So that's yeah, but all right, and in the video, my hand getting kind of cold, that wind smacking it. Thanks for watching.